We have always stood out as a pioneer clinical practice in the region when it comes to introducing the cutting-edge tools and technology in the field of medicine. This time we are bringing to you a unique and a futuristic treatment which has taken the wellness world by storm. We like to call it penguin frozen facials, and it's localized cold shock therapy. Let's talk about it scientifically. Cold shock triggers the cold shock proteins, especially the most talked about in the anti-aging research, the very interesting one, the RBM3 protein, and it regenerates and upgrades the synapses. The UCP1 gene gets activated, leading to mitochondrial biogenesis. Following things are happening at a cellular level. This cascade of chemicals has a strong anti-inflammatory effect, and inflammation has been identified as the key driver of the aging process. Brain gets falsely alarmed from this short and intense cold shock, and it's programmed to enhance the microcirculation and oxygenation to the treated area, boosting up the cellular metabolism. So what do you see on the outside? My favorite, the very interesting one, is called the fat browning. That's actually going to cause a thermogenesis, which helps us in contouring the bulky faces, and you can get rid of the localized fat deposits. What else is happening? It has an analgesic effect, so you can use it in the patients who have arthritis and other pain disorders. What else is happening? Your collagen production is becoming more and more efficient, and the collagen breakdown is slowing down. What is collagen? Collagen is a protein which actually gives you the youthful look, which is actually the protein making up the structure of the skin. What else is happening? The hyaluronic acid production becomes more efficient. The skin can retain more moisture, and you have a more pliability and a beautiful elastic skin. So all these benefits are happening because of this cold shock therapy. In the end, I would like to quote David Sinclair, who's a famous Australian biologist and the geneticist, and his work in anti-aging medicine has been extremely invaluable. He said that aging should be considered as a treatable disease. And I think the way science is making progress, that day is not that far when we'll be able to beat aging at a cellular level. And one of the ways of actually reversing or defying the process of aging at a cellular level is by this cold shock treatment therapy that we have introduced. And my favorite tool for doing that is CRYO penguin. As I always say, if I have to summarize the essence of my practice in one word, it has to be passion. If I'm not passionate about what I'm doing, I won't be able to do it. And passion is something which is going to lead to magic. And trust me, we do magic every day in our practices.